Alrighty, so now it's time for us to assemble this kit, and here are all the parts that makes up the chest and head unit of the GM Sniper Custom. Let me start with this part first. Now we're going to need this part that goes, I believe, here. And that one that goes over here. Go. And then we have to put that in here, which represents the bottom part of the torso. Then we have this part here, which of course there goes a poly cap. And this goes right over the parts that holds down the hydraulic mechanism for the arms. So turn the page. Alright. Then we have the remaining white parts. One goes here. The other one goes there. That's good. So far, so good. Then we have the two side armor parts. And they go to the side like that. Here. And that one goes there. Then we have the back part that goes here. Close that up. Oops! Wait. The alignment was not right. Let me pull that out. Come on. You can do it. Thank you. Just get that in there properly. And then align it properly like so. And then slide it in like so. With a little bit of the... There we go. Yeah, there was a little bit of the sticky tack on that. Alright, so with that put on, so we take this, we put that here. You know, you're supposed to do it before or after. Oh, doesn't matter. It snaps into place like so. Covers up that section of the armor. Of the inner frame. That's good. Then we have the vents. One goes there. One goes there. Good. Now this part I'm going to remove because I need to put this one here. That's not, and then we have this part that goes there. And we connect that to here, which of course will allow you to open this up to reveal the pilot, which I never painted. I don't paint pilots. I paint robots. That's how it works. Alright, so that's done. Oh, this goes there. So that completes this guy. Then we have this part, the two side parts that I already put on for this. This back part that goes here. Find the alignment, put it in. Put that here like so. And we have these two little parts. One goes there. The other one goes there. Clearly these two parts can be removed to put like side parts, side weaponry, things like that. So customization, there's a lot of, possibilities for customization here. So keep in mind on that. The thrusters, they have to go like this. One goes there. One goes here. Then we have the two vents. One goes there. And the other goes here. That's good. That's very good. Then one goes here. It's actually really nice. We're not done yet. The head is already assembled, as we already know. The only thing we need is the visor. Well, okay, so the visor goes in here. There we go. We could snap into place like so. And then we have this part that goes right there, like so. We also have this part that goes right here, right on top of it. And the back part goes there. I knew we're missing something. Just, we're looking at all these parts. I forgot the crest. And I'm not talking about the toothpaste. Oh, here we go. So that one goes right like that. Good. Yeah, wise idea to actually paint that in metallic. Cool. But we're not done yet. Let's make sure that goes all the way in. According to how I'm seeing this here, we need the mouth guard in this position, and there's a little notch there, hole that goes right through here and here, so it holds that into place. And then we have this part here that goes like that. We might as well put that in the closed position, because then we need this one here that goes just like, I believe, like that. No, it's the other one, because the whole mechanism is designed to go up and down. So I believe you need the clearance, right? Yeah. See? Like that. Let me put that here. There we go. And then we have the antennae. That goes right there. There we go. Put the head together on this. And then there it is. With the head visor down, we just will open it up a bit so we can expose the face. And there you have it. Let me make sure I'm looking at this correctly. Yeah, that came out okay. I thought it was in reverse. But yeah, that looks good. That looks good. It'd be nice if this was another clear part there on the head, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Alright, so there you have it. The head and torso of the GM Sniper Custom is now complete. We'll review this soon in close-ups, but let's continue on with the assembly. Alright, so the next part of the build is going to be the arms. As you can see here, all the parts that makes up the arms right here. But before you move any further, you need to take off the hand and the cover, and also this, followed by that. Now, there's a guide here that goes like this, through there. Make sure it goes all the way. Followed by the cover, up there. Then slide this back in here, like so. Oh, wait, before you do, let's get these here. One there. The other there. Now get it in there, like so. Followed by this part that goes there. This part that goes here. And then the part that makes up the hand, the armor here, goes there. Connect that in. Then we have this little rear guard here, the elbow armor, you could say. Let's to go like that. And we, yeah. There's a railing here, notch, and then there's two notches here, so that goes here. Like that. Now, take that off. And that goes in. I believe it goes like that. And that goes there. And that turns it around like that. So this is the right shoulder, and then this armored part goes like that. That slides in easily. Very easy, as you can see. It's only one mold part right there. And then just put that in there. There you go. And since this is the right arm has this little notch, so you can connect this part here. The left arm doesn't have a notch this side. It has a little hole there, so you can stick something in there, like a shield attachment or something like that. But also, and as a matter of fact, I should have pulled it out here. It's this part for the gun, which goes right there. Kind of weird to see that here. Normally, I think you can get away with it and put it on the other end. Let me do that, because I think I'm going to need this for the shield. So let's remove that. Put that here. Actually, I'm not going to do that, because if I have to take it off again and again while I'm assembling this kit, it's probably going to annoy me. Alright, so the arms are complete. Let's now move on to the next part of the build. Next up is going to be the legs of the GM Sniper Custom. And before we proceed, again, we've got to remove some parts here. We're going to begin with the foot. And there's several layers to this foot. We have this part here that goes back down here. There you go. And then we have the white part that goes there. Locks into place like so. Unfortunately, this white became gray. There we go. Then we have this part that goes here. Snaps into place. You may have to push it down a bit. And then the foot armor goes right over it. There we go. And then this one slides in like so. Like so. There we go. So that completes that. Then we have the two parts here for the push that in, push that in here. There we go. And then carefully put this here and here, push that in, and there we go. That completes the armored part here, but we have to put this one back here. You know what? Let me align this back up so I don't forget. So that goes through there. That snaps into place like so, and that connects through there. There we go. And then that goes in like that. Nice. Very nice. I think that's the best foot assembly I've ever seen in this kit. Seriously. Now, I'm going to take this, put that here. Followed by the back part goes here. And then this one goes right to there. Bend the knee. So you can expose this and connect this knee part here. Followed by this part going here. And here. And then this one goes here. Bring this back up a bit. Straighten up if you have to. Ooh, this goes, that was done wrong. That goes like that. Alright. And then close these two together like so. Then you have this part that unfortunately I gotta remove. Actually, no, I may have put this on in error. Yeah. Because you gotta put this one here, and there's like a little guide. Was it this way? Yeah, it was that way. So now I gotta pop this out. Come on, there we go. Alright. So now you want to put that back here because that guide holds on to this part. There we go. Now we have the remaining parts here, which is the side armor parts. So one goes through here, and the other one goes through there. We have the two thruster parts that goes right here. One goes there, and then the other one goes in here. There we go. Not digging how this came out. I may have to redo it again. Let's bend up the vents a bit. There we go. And we're not done yet. We have this part that actually is the whole, the cover for this, but it will be removed later on. And there you have it. The legs of the GM Sniper Custom is now complete and ready to rock. And very good detail. These came out perfect. This is the best thing I've seen so far. Alright, let's move on to the next part of the build.